Hey everybody, it's Neil and check out what I have here. I have a shirt that is kind of a sweater kind of feel to it. So let's open it up and I'll show you what we got. So it's kind of got like a pattern kind of to it. You see like that, like a sweater would be, but it's a shirt. It's got some flex to it. So it looks nice. It's a button-up shirt. Let's go ahead and try this one on. I'll take off my current shirt and put this one on. I'm gonna put it over my head just to save a little bit of buttoning time. But I got a size large and I'm about 5'10" and 180 so pounds. So you give you guys an idea of what it looks like. So let me go ahead and button this stuff up. It's nice, it's got a pocket right there. Let me straighten this out here a little bit. Got a pocket there and it's made out of some kind of a stretchy-ish material. So even though it's not really form-fitting or anything, it does give me room to stretch. So if I go out and have some big dinner or something like that, it'll be good. Let's see, what does it say it's made of here? It comes with an extra button. 95% polyester and 5% spandex. So it does have that stretchy spandex-ness to it. So that's nice. And it looks good. It looks like a nice dress shirt. And you can see it kind of goes down there. It's got a little bit of a taperish kind of thing here where it kind of does that loop down there. So that goes down to the bottom of my butt. I can tuck it in and look good. You can wear it with jeans. You can wear it with just about anything and it's gonna look good. And it's nice and buttons and the collar stays really in good place. So I'm gonna say this is a nice looking shirt. Especially after I lose a few pounds, it'll probably be even looser. That I might have even gotten a medium or so, but this is perfect for me right now. So really good, I like this shirt. I look good, so totally awesome. Thumbs up for sure.